Alrighty, super exciting. First snake that we've seen. I've been wanting to see a snake the whole time. Hey, little guy. Let's zoom in on him.
Can we catch him?
I'm fine, I don't want to bother him. It looks like a little rat snake.
It does. Smaller version of what I found in my yard the other day.
Hey, buddy.
He's letting you know he's here.
Alright.
Yeah, he's not slithering away.
Mm-mm.
That's cool. So this is the section again between Dragon's Tooth and Tinker Cliff, and we actually climbed off the main route which goes down to Pig Farm. I think we still come out there actually, but that one sort of branched off right. We stayed on the outside towards the Catawba Valley. Oh, this is cool. Zoom out. This is so cool.
That's one thing to talk about. See a bear den in there for the winter time.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Gotta get this way. Oh, no, this is neat. Oh, shit.
All good.
Look at that river.
Oh wow.
David.
So we've got M&M grazing on raspberries
What's up?
over here. I'm good, thanks, buddy.
What?
It'll take me out of ketosis.
Delicious.
This is how the mountain goats and Captain America feed fuel
Oh my goodness.
their
Right?
nuclear plants. So we've got a huge earthworm here. Show you how big this thing is.
Good night.
That's the size of my hand.
Mike, we're stopping. Keep
Pretty,
picking.
pretty big hands.
That's massive.
Honestly, he's running.
Oh my god.
That is why we call Mark Baston the mountain goat. The guy is literally running up there. My word. This is beautiful.
Wow.
Expecting to see a black bear down there somewhere. Be a good spot for it. Lots of berries further up. And then we're about to hit this bad boy. Let's get her done. So we found the mountain goat up at the top of this climb, grazing on these raspberries, because that's what the mountain goat does. He bounds through the mountains and eats berries at the top. All right, so we rode Tinker Cliffs 1.3.
My phone lied to me again.
1.3 miles, boys.
1.3. Something's up.
All right, we've made it to Tinker Cliffs. I'd say the last 1/3 has been really tough, maybe a little bit less, between McAfee's knob and here. But it's been brutal. Been running on creatine and ketones. Let's check it out. So part of the Tinker Cliff experience is you've got a bunch of these cliffs that jet out on the side like this. Really pretty. You can see more cliffs down here. Some absolutely gorgeous scenery on the way down here. So this is Andy Lane Trail, heading down from Tinker Cliff to Andy Lane parking. And I think we've got about 4 miles to go. And so Tinker Cliffs is down the direction that we're heading here and up. Basically these probably form part of them. They don't jet out like the others do. They're just a little ways down that way. But look at them, man. Gorgeous. Okay, so we're almost at Andy Lane Trail, or parking. We're on Andy Lane Trail and coming down from Tinker Cliff, and it is brutal. I'd say it's one of the toughest parts of the hike that we've done. I was just saying to Mark Lowry, on all trails the graph looks steeper, and it seems to be steeper, the gradient on North Mountain going up it, but honestly this feels steeper. Coming down, I would never come up this with a backpack, and coming down, if you don't have hiking poles to save your knees, I mean these other guys are doing it without hiking poles, but if you had a backpack, you know, like a